Travessa dos Curtidores.
Okay, we're in Macau. We're going to be filming. There's a couple spots just down the way a little bit. Are they that way? That way. So they're right there. There's a couple streets that I almost never film. Let me put this up on the map so you can get some context. But this little stairwell up here kind of is the back way up to Camosh Park and Morrison Chapel. And then this street right here is called Patani Street. And I'm going to start from up top and kind of come down. And then we're going to kind of highlight. So we're going to show you a little bit of that around the corner. And then our target streets are going to be right down that way. So stay tuned. Let me put the target streets on the map so you can see exactly where we are. So stay tuned for that. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. So I believe this is going to be one of our alleys. And then our other alley is going to be right there. So let's just go down to them, give you a little context. That kind of goes into a whole other area that that we won't focus on for this particular video. But basically we're kind of going, that kind of goes uphill into something called Camosh Park. And we're going to be on this other street. This is called Patani Street. And our target street is going to be this little tiny alley between the buildings. And one of the reasons I'm doing that is because what I want to do is capture all the different streets in Macau and just kind of document them, exactly what they're all about. So this street right there is called Beco do Sapato. And Sapato is like, I think it's the Portuguese word for shoe. I think that's the Spanish word anyways. So our little Beco is quite small. But I do want to capture and then check out the labyrinth of all these different dwellings. And then it even kind of goes like that all the way back in there too, right? So that's actually a wall. And it kind of snakes around. It's actually quite amazing. And then this would actually go right into an apartment building, so that would end right here. So this is called, I think if I'm right, Sapato is shoe, which it is in Spanish, and it's also shoe in Tagalog, Filipino language. I think it's the same in Portuguese. This little alley might have been where they made shoes. And then we'll give you a little bit of context. So, okay. Then we got these kind of cool little spots on the corner, MCT, some Portuguese references here. And then we're gonna just kind of walk down a little bit. Okay, just kind of walk. Just want to capture the beauty of this whole area. So that one kind of continues to go uphill. You can see more hills up in the distance. And then this one kind of goes more downhill. So this would have went more towards the ocean. And we're on the street called Patani. So our little Sapato street, it was that little alley right there. And then we're gonna have another alley next to it. So I'm also gonna capture that alley as well. Yeah, look how beautiful this is. So that was Sapato right there, that little alley. So you can see, so when we got in there, you can see that there's like this building looks like it's solid, but it's actually like a lot of different stuff going on in there. That street goes all the way down to Patani, which historically would have been Patani Village. And Patani Village would have been a little Chinese settlement just on the waterfront, like a fishing village. And this one is a little Rosera. So they're kind of all the and they're getting ready for today, I guess. So that would be down this little alley right there. I would walk down it, but I'm gonna instead attach another one that I have. I was walking down that street and I can connect it. That right there is part of the park. So originally when I came up those steps up there, and and over there is this something called Camões Park. Camões Park has a lot of history. It goes back to the 1500s when they said that Camões, the Portuguese poet, story goes that he was here and that he wrote part of his famous words in that area. You can see the cars are coming through. So okay, so we had Sapato, we had that other street, and then we're just gonna walk down some of this right here. Okay. So that kind of so yeah, those are basically our two little alleys, and we're going to conclude in a few minutes. I'm just going to walk down. I just want to capture whatever else is here and give some context to stuff. This looks like it used to be a gate to something. A lot of these houses are kind of interesting. So okay, so we basically started around here, and we were kind of went down those two little alleys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk and see what's around the back of it, and then I'm probably going to end shortly. So we're going to go into this little alley in here. This is Travessa dos Curtidores. So you can see the name. So I think I'm going to include it. So there's Camões Park, Travessa dos Curtidores, and then we're going to walk down this one, and then we're going to conclude. It looks like Travessa dos Curtidores has tires, cargo. There's always little shops everywhere you go. Handmade wedding. So I think before, when we were in those alleys, it would have been, these would have been the back side of that right there. Handmade wedding. So Travessa dos Curtidores. And then I guess the street would actually end right here. Oh, check that out. That's like a little hanging on the sides. That's crazy. Look at those little, those are like hanging on the sides there. Oh, crazy. That was so interesting. Okay, so anyways, so I guess basically in this one we ended up doing Travessa dos Curtidores, we did Sapato, and then we also did the third one. I think I might just keep it to these two, Travessa, just the two that we went down. Okay, so that's a little slice of Macau there. That little fishing area, the little fishing street, I did film this other one called Patani right here. So that one I walked down it, and then I went into that alley. So originally when I filmed that, I was going to combine the two. So I think I'll just keep that combined as the two, and then these will be two. So sometimes I'll film, I want to label all the streets accordingly so that they're all have some kind of documentation of them, so in the future people can look and capture them. Check out this little rooftop stuff. Okay, so lots of some kind of cool windows right there too. So we're gonna end our video right there. So so there you go, Sapato and Travessa dos Curtidores.